As for 3D printing materials, is resin or plastic is better? The advantages of resin include high hardness, durability, water resistance, and chemical stability, which is harmless to the human body. The material is stable and not easy to deform. It is known for its high chemical stability and heat resistance, which make it excellent in high temperature and high pressure environments, and is often used in applications requiring chemical corrosion resistance, electrical insulation, and medical strengthening, such as industrial components, building materials, coating, and molding materials. Resins are more sustainable and degradable materials, and the manufacturing process is more complex, so resins are usually more expensive than plastics. Moreover, the resin has better surface growth and color sustainability, as well as excellent electrical insulation properties and flame-retarding properties. The advantages of plastic are low manufacturing costs, lightweight, and high transparency. Plastic are used to process and form, suitable for mass production, widely used in packaging, construction, automobile, medical equipment, and other fields. Plastic has better flexibility, durability, and impact resistance, can be bent and deformed without breaking, has better surface smoothness and ease cleaning. Plastic can be used to prepare fuel oil and fuel gas, which can reduce crude oil consumption. When long-term durability and stability are needed, resin is the better choice.